In today's video, I will show you how to set up subdomains for your Namecheap account. If you don't already have a Namecheap domain, I will leave you a link to Namecheap down below. Either way, to get started, simply just head over to your actual dashboard. This is going to look something like this, and right here you can then see all of your available domains. I will just select this howtoshopify.net domain, and I will then click on manage. Now, what we will first have to check is that we will basically have to make sure that the name servers are pointed to Namecheap basic DNS. Make sure that this is selected right here. And then head over to advanced DNS on the top right. And now we will have to add a new type onto this, so basically a new record. We will have to select this, select a record. As for the host, you will have to put in the actual subdomain name, so this could be, for example, blog, or this could be info, and so on. So this is going to be the subdomain, info.howtoshopify.net in this case, okay? And right here under IP address, you will then have to insert the actual IP address of your hosting. Now, if you, for example, are hosting on Namecheap, this is going to show up right here. If you're hosting on another platform, you will have to actually get the IP address manually, and you will then have to insert it onto the advanced DNS. Once you've did so, you are going to have set up your subdomain. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.